Hello Klasse Schuler. Today we are going to learn Lektion 5 Arbeitsbuch from Seite 30. Das musste ja so kommen. So the Präteritum of Lektion in Lektion 5 coursebook we have learned. So here we will be solving some exercises. The first question is Ergänzen Sie das Präteritum. So you have to write the correct Präteritum. Past tense of the verb. So they have given here parken and geben. So you have to conjugate that according to the subject and you have to write the Präteritum. The first example I will solve for you. Herr Müller parked falsch. Mr. Müller has parked his vehicle wrong. Und der Polizist gab ihm einen Strafzettel. So that's why the police has given him the Strafzettel. So like this you are supposed to solve. There are 10 examples given. The Präteritum of all this you have to write, and make sure when it is a separable verb your the prefix of the verb goes at the end, and from the suffix you have to convert that into Präteritum. Okay, so that was our first question. Now let's come to the second question. Setzen Sie die Geschichte ins Präteritum. Here they have given one story, so that you have to write in Präteritum, past tense. So like this here you are supposed to write down. Here for your information I have just circled the subject according to which we have conjugated the verb in past. So for example the first one, Herr Meyer asked sehr gern fish. East hai, we have to convert it to as Präteritum according to Mr. Meyer. So Mr. Meyer likes to eat the fish. Eines Tages fuhr die Mittagszeit ans seinen See entlang. So on one afternoon he went to have a lunch in the along with the See, that is a lake. Und dachte sich, and he thought himself, dass es hier gute Fisch geben musste. So here they must be giving the good fish. Ging sofort in ein Gasthaus. Immediately he went in the Gasthaus, that is one restaurant, und bestellte eine große Portion frischer Fische. And he has ordered a big portion of fresh fish. Es dauerte nicht lange. It doesn't last for a long. Da brachte die Kellnerin das Essen. There the waitress brought the food. Zwei große gebratenen Fische. Zwei, two big fried fish. Herr Meyer betrachtet die Fische. He observed the fish. Von allen Seiten, from all the sides. Fing aber nicht zu essen an, but he has not started the eating. Die Kellnerin merkte es. The waitress recognized that. Schließlich fragte sie ihn. Immediately or finally she has asked to him. Fehlt noch etwas? Is something missing? Brauchen Sie vielleicht Salz? Do you perhaps need a salt? Nein, danke, antwortet Herr Meyer. So Mr. Meyer has answered no, thanks. Okay, so convert this story into past tense. Now let's solve the next question. Here they have given you three options of Präteritum. You have to choose the correct one. Total 10 are there. Next page also. First one I will solve for you. Das Kind lief sehr schnell. The child runs very fast. Laufen original है. Laufen का Präteritum होता है leave according to das Kind. Same you are supposed to solve the rest till 10. Now Nummer 4. Ergänzen Sie die Tabelle Präteritum bitte. You have to write the past tense of all these verbs. Just the meanings I will tell you. Arbeiten to work, singen to sing, danken to thank, bleiben to stay, fahren to drive, and essen is to eat. So like this you have to complete this. Now in again Nummer 5, was ist richtig? They have given two options. You have to choose the correct one. Now for you I have written the meanings also here. Seine Stimme klingelte zornig. so his voice sounds angry. So klingelte is correct preteritum of klingeln. Okay, that is to sound. Same. Solve the rest till question 10. Okay, so this text, students, we have already solved. Okay, in another video or in another or in earlier lecture. So this was our Lektion 5 Arbeitsbuchschüler. So complete that. Choose.